Hey friends, how are you? I wish you a very happy new year. And in this video, particularly, I'll talk about the total cost that came for us in the end-to-end delivery process and how you can plan your budget in case you are considering a single room, because all my views and all my calculations will be based on the single or deluxe room that I chose in Park Street, Bhagirathi, India. And also I'll talk about, towards the end of the video, I'll talk about some of the tricks by which you can maximize your insurance benefit. Well, if you are looking for cashless hospitalization, so then Newtown, Bhagirathi, area should be your choice, because where for very few corporates, Park Street branch is a network hospital. So usually they accept the reimbursement route. So you just check with your company and your TPA whether and you are eligible for a cashless reimbursement in Park Street, because Park Street doesn't pair up with many insurance provider when it comes to cashless, but Newtown branch they definitely do. Well, when you start planning your budget, so your first thing that you need to do is to get a quotation from them. So what they do, you can send a mail online to their customer care, or you can call them. So they will, or maybe you can visit to hospital reception. So what they will do, so they will give you some kind of quotation. So here I will tell you few things. So when you go to the Newtown branch, right, so they will give you a kind of package. So that package is inclusive of your room rent, okay, and your baby well-being. So a lot of things are included in the package. But when it comes to Park Street, so they claim that they also give a package, but it's not really a package. The way they do, so they put together different components, right? Room rent and OT charges and all this, and then finally they sum it up and tell that, hey, this is our package. But that's not the case, because there you will see your bill will vary based on your number of days stay. So what they do, so they calculate a 4-day stay, and accordingly they calculate the room rent for mother and baby, and then finally come to the number. But when it comes to Newtown, so it is more like covered, and it will come to you in a packaged manner. And note down one thing, your doctor or surgeon fee will be excluded from this package, be it Newtown or be it Park Street. So whatever package or the quotation that they will give you, so it is purely on the hospitalization and all other things, right? Your medicine, OT charges and all other things. But the doctor fee, so it will be extra, and hospital cannot tell you what is the doctor fee. So that you have to be very clear. You should have clear communication with your doctor how much he or she will charge for the surgery. One of the things you can do, you can talk to your doctor, and you can ask him or her whether he or she is comfortable taking the doctor fee separately, and you don't want to include it as part of your hospital bill. So then, for obvious reason, you have to pay less. You can pay in cash directly to your doctor, and so he or she will not charge that surgeon fee as part of hospital bill. So in that case, you can understand, right? I mean, you will pay less. I mean, if you want to pay your doctor fee as part of the hospital bill, so definitely it will be more than if you would have chosen to pay your doctor directly in cash. If you do that, you have to make sure you collect a valid bill from your doctor. So in the bill, doctor should mention the patient name and the address of the patient, and in which hospital the operation has been done. And so the doctor will give you, I think, 3 bills. Like, let's say if your doctor is taking 60,000, so you'll not get a single bill, because when they do the surgery, so there is a medical team, right? Who are involved in the entire process. Doctor doesn't do that alone. So there will be assistant doctor, anesthetist. So at least 3 bills you will get from the doctor. So he or she will consult with his or her team, and he will make sure that you get the right bill. So, but you have to check. Your bill should have. It should reflect doctor's name, registration number, bill number, patient name, date, that is very important, and your address and the hospital name reference, and for which the amount has been charged, like for surgery, for anesthetist, or as an assistant doctor. So it should be a valid bill. So then only you can claim that in insurance. However, one good thing, I mean, because one of my friend, he did his delivery from Newtown branch. So one good thing which I saw in his bill, so there was no separate pediatrician charge. So that was collected, and in his bill everything came as a single package. So he was told 88,000 will be the entire package, and only some baby care, some kind of baby care or few things are extra added. But there it was more like a real package that they give you something and it doesn't deviate much. So now coming to our cost. So we did the entire process at Park Street, Neotia. So the quotation that I got from them initially, so it was around, so there are two parts to it. Okay, so it was for mother, it was around 94,000 for deluxe room, and for baby it was 28,000 as nursery charge. And that package was given, I mean, I should not say package, but the estimate was given for 4 days, and that excludes any type of doctor fee for mother and baby both, because for baby also pediatrician, so he or she will charge extra. But finally what happened for us, like my wife was recovering very well and my baby's health condition was very good, so doctor and pediatrician, so they took a joint decision to release us within 2 days. So we got admitted on 15th, so that was the delivery day, and we got discharged on 17th. So for 2 days our hospital bill, how it went, it was like for mother it came around 54,000, and for baby it was around 27,000, and within 27,000 there was a pediatrician bill of 12,000. So that is extra. I mean, so the estimate that they gave of 28,000, so that didn't contain that pediatrician charge. And along with 81,000, I paid 60,000 as doctor fee to doctors separately. So my total end-to-end cost was 1,41,000. But for me, but don't go by this number. For you, it may be different. Because for me, it was less, because I got discharged within 2 days. So if my stay would have been extended, so typically on average for a C-section, people are discharged, I mean, people are at least kept for 4 days, 4 nights. So I mean, if I give you a very simple estimate, right, the room charge was around 9,500 for mother and 2,000 for baby, and attendant charge I was staying, so it was 1,500. So it's almost 13,000 is just for the stay, right? So if the stay could have been extended by 2 more nights, then so here itself it is 26,000 more, and on top of every day you stay, so there will be small things that will be added in your bills, and all medicines and everything, and then RMO charges, so there will be daily visits, and in your final bill you can see, I mean, there are so many things you don't know, like they will keep on adding those things. So given that, maybe if I would have stayed for 4 days, so it would have come sometime somewhere around 1.9 to 2 lakh. But in the end, I would say whatever it is, always respect your doctor's decision, because doctor is a person who knows and who can decide when to release you, I mean, when you are good to be discharged. Because definitely, I mean, budget and finance is definitely important, but while you are there, first you try to listen to doctor, what your doctor is suggesting, and based on that, I mean, you take your own decision. And all, because there are cases, because when we were discharged in 2 days, the doctor told us that within 48 hours you repeat bilirubin test for your baby. But when he did that from a local lab, so the bilirubin came very high, so we got worried, and then we called doctor, and doctor said that you might have to come again for a phototherapy for your baby. So this is the experience that you definitely don't want to have. I mean, for that, if you want to, I mean, if your doctor suggests stay for 2 more days in a hospital and get the bilirubin test on 3rd day, and if it is high, do a phototherapy at a hospital itself, and then you get discharged with a healthy baby. So I think that is definitely better instead of like reducing 2 days rent, because we never said our doctor that we want to get discharged within 2 days.
I hope you got a fair idea of how much it might cost you to have a C-section at Bhagirathi Neotia, Rowden Street. And as mentioned in the video, your cost might vary depending on the number of days you are staying at the hospital. I hope this video was informative for you, and if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel Shayantani's Diary and press the bell button so that you never miss any update from our channel. Also, if you have any queries, you can drop in comment in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer. Stay tuned to Shayantani's Diary for more such videos, and until we meet again, do take care and bye-bye.